busy professionals lose up to 3 hours per day from time leaks, from interruptions, distractions, last minute requests, and overload from having a multitude of tasks to complete. And these are all slow leaks that steal your time when you're not looking. In the business world, this adds up to lost profits. In your personal world, this can lead to more stress and less quality time with your loved ones. And there's a cost from time management glitches, and that is lower productivity, not making deadlines, or your work isn't as quality as you know it could be if you did have that extra time. And there's also a cost to redo or extend deadlines. And again, this leads to lower profits. And while each glitch might have a different origin, a different cause, there are some foundational principles that can be applied, which will help decrease the number of occurrences that cause this time to be leaked out. When people say they want to improve their time management, that's a pretty broad term to use. So my question becomes, which component of time management? In today's fast-paced information download, I'm going to reveal the 5, maybe if there's time, a bonus, 6 ways that people often experience these different types of time leaks, and we need to figure out what these time leaks are so that way they can be plugged. I'm also going to share with you some tips on how to plug these particular time leaks, as well as how to prevent. And then at the very end, we're going to cover how to pivot, how to prepare to pivot when you're working with a daily schedule that seems to change all the time. You will learn how important it is to respond instead of just react. So let's take a look at these common time leaks to plug. I mentioned at the very opening that busy professionals can lose up to 3 hours a day from time leaks. And this stat comes from my clients tracking how they use their time. And when they are off autopilot, and instead they're fully cognizant of what they do with each minute of the day, they begin to realize what they are doing, and they're able to identify their most common time leaks. And these are usually some type of interruption. I teach 90-minute to half-day seminars on each of these interruptions we're going to go through. So we're only going to be touching the surface, scratching the surface here, but this is going to give you an idea of where to start with yourself and then where to continue with your team.